action.
Hello guys, welcome back to the next video. Today we're going to be checking out the update in Cooking in the Rain because the camera boy.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I want to call a complaint. On someone who's named Fruit Loops. Born with the name Fruit Loops.
By the way, guys, if you're on TikTok, by the way, go check out Honey Nut's channel on Zoom. Yeah.
Wait. Honey Nut, your dog, has a channel. No, well, you can go check out the video the first video that he's in, which is on the Magic Family channel.
Oh yeah, you can do that. Go check out that.
Or maybe you could check. I'm not allowed to say the channel that shows your face because that channel's banned. I'm gonna be deleting every single video on that channel that shows your face since your mother does not want it.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, so if you're unsubscribed to that channel, go and subscribe right now.
No, you don't have to unsubscribe. I'm just deleting every video that shows your face. Some of the videos haven't shown your face at all.
Okay, so you can stay subscribed. Please subscribe.
I know the Clinton World Facts. You kept on showing my face in it, and I was really nervous because that was a channel that I don't get trolled. So I was really nervous. Okay, I'm in the game. Where are you, Foodie?
I am near the dude, but you have 2 stands, so I don't think you can be next.
Guess what? They made an update, and now you can have 3 stands.
Oh, cool. You want me to leave the game so we can be next to each other?
Oh no, we can't because there's always someone else next to me.
Okay. Is there another person on the other side of you?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Well, no, because the other side will be out in my 3rd stand, so you won't be able to do it anyway.
Oh, God.
Hey, I have a new recipes, milkshake and French toast.
I don't have a milkshake. Wait, is that a different milkshake?
Yeah, it's a milkshake. It's not the secret one for the pink bunnies. But anyway, here's a new update. You have pets. That is the new update, you guys.
What a doing. Cooking in the rain. I actually was in the game, but I don't think I was in the previous game. I'm alone. Oh wait, wow, David, I see you.
Oh, I see you.
Wow. We're one stand away from each other.
No, this is not mine. Mine's is all the way over there. But look, this is a new pet. I got so many pets. The ice cream one, the Eggy. The ice cream one's named Snowy. You know, it's Cookie Man. Where did you go? I need lots and lots of milk.
Where are you? I need to see your stand. Where are your stands? Go stand in front of your stand.
I'm in front of it. You can't because there's 3 slots next to me, and then since people can get 3 stands, you won't be able to do it. There's no use.
Hi.
Where are you?
Come over here.
What's your name look like?
Over here.
What does your Roblox avatar look like?
What?
Oh, hi, Sandrina. We should be calling you that for the whole entire video. Last video, I even called you Sandrina for a bit. Look here, this is the ice cream pet. Want to know how to make it? There's a pop button, hit that, and then you can just hit teleport. But you have to make it with ingredients. So the snowy pet, you need 5 ice creams and 5 milk.
What? What? For the ice cream part, what are the pet's choices?
I do not remember. You might have to go look at that.
Pets? Okay, no pets yet. Make sure there's pet stuff. Before, Trinity? Okay. Oh wow, I need other... I love the egg, so I'm gonna get the egg.
Do you have enough?
Wait, Garby?
Garby? Is that supposed to stand for like garlic bread?
Yeah, I'm gonna make the eggy. So, can you give me some eggs, butter? 3 eggs and 3 butter, and I'll make the omelet. Oh, wait.
I think, how about you make the omelets first and then I'll give you the butter and eggs.
Okay.
Deal?
Uh-huh.
Alright, good. Come on, Foodie. I mean, Slendrina.
How do you stop it? Then I'm gonna look. I need 1 egg and 1 butter.
I must go also. Since Eggy helps me get 50% of eggs and 50% of butter, I'll bring him out. So I need to get butter and eggs for you, Foodie.
Thanks. I found a lot.
Oh, I found so many. It's because you're near me that my Eggy's spawning butter. So you're lucky. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, wait, I can upgrade.
Where are you?
I'm at the place where you can make your omelets. Oh my god, someone wants a chocolate churro.
I think I can make that. Can you make that? Make it.
Yeah, I need to make churros. Why did I go to the decorating thing? How do you make churros again? I need butter and flour. I got enough butter, I just need flour.
But also, you also need coins for the chocolate chills. I mean, you also need coins for the pets, I meant.
Yes, I know. Oh man, someone took the flour. Okay. Okay, so I can make the churros.
Wow, you look so much like Slendrina.
Okay, price 30. Okay, I can do that. 1 chocolate and 1 churro. I'm gonna make the churro.
Should I possibly make my own kind of food? Well, I need to make churros for my customers.
I got...
Oh, hi, Foodie.
I'm gonna make the chocolate churros for one of the customers. Plus, give someone the gourmet ice cream if you want to cook for the customer something.
Yeah, you're right. But I need to make bread for my... French toast.
Well, I think I can make chocolate churros.
Well,
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Okay, but Foodie, I need bread to make my French toast, so I need to go collect some bread. Well, I need flour to collect some... I need flour to make bread, so I need to go look for some flour.
Yay! I got... Here you go, sir. Have some chocolate churros.
Oh, I found some flour. Lucky me. Ooh, some eggs and butter for Fruit Loops. Alright.
I'm gonna start collecting eggs and butter.
Gonna call collecting what?
You start collecting the butter.
And then I'll start collecting, and you start collecting the eggs. Oh, I'm already making some bread, but okay, I guess. Yeah, let's do that. Where are you? Fruit Loops, where are you?
I'm probably pretty, but I have a lot of eggs.
Okay, I'm gonna go look for some butter.
I'm gonna eat all the flour that I have in my soup because I don't need them right now.
You're on top of a tree.
Yeah. Eating things. Oh gosh. Alright, cool.
So you're collecting the eggs, I'm collecting the butter?
Yep, I'm collecting the eggs. You do the butter. That's flowers. I don't need those right now.
Where are you? OMG. Are you on top of a green or red tree?
No, I just got off the tree near the rainbow.
Wow. You're going opposite. You're going way where I'm going, just like faster.
Hey! I see in the distance.
You see me in the distance?
In the horizon.
Wait, what? You see me in the horizon? That's Ocean. That's Ocean talking. That's Ocean talks, Sandrina. Sandrina, that is Ocean talk.
I'm not Slenderina. Call me. I'm not Slenderina. Call me Slender Woman.
Okay, but you're wearing Sandrina's hair, not Slender Woman's hair. Well, you all still Slender Woman, just in a younger age. A younger age is Sandrina.
Come up here. I got some more flowers. Wait a minute.
so you know facey face.
Wait, you're collecting butter, not flowers. Over there's some butter. There's some more butter up here.
OMG, people how to do this in first person mode. I hate it. I hate it so much.
I think I got enough eggs. Do you have enough butter?
Hi.
Can you give me the butter? You probably got enough. I do got enough eggs. I got enough eggs.
I gave you the butter. You're welcome. Thank me, woman.
Oh yeah! I can make it.
Damien's fetcher on milk, flour, herbs. Can you show me my ingredients? Miss, I want my ingredients. Show me them. Oh wait, I have to come to your stand. Move, woman.
I gotta get one of your things. I can't give you all of them. So we gotta go with them.
Okay, I'm coming with you. Where are you? Wait for me.
Let me see. You need those green flowers.
They're called herbs, lady.
Okay.
Okay, I need to collect some eggs. Some
Did
butter.
you find any new recipes that I haven't gotten?
Well, we need to stick together because you can collect the eggs and I can collect the butter.
No, I have enough things. I have enough.
Where did it go?
Things.
Yes, Sandrina? Yes, Slender Woman?
You know that, dang, I forgot what I was gonna say.
I found more butter, but I don't think I need butter. I need to go make my French toast and my donut.
Oh wait, I know what I was gonna say. Did you find any new secret recipes that I haven't gotten yet?
Oh, yes, I have. Follow me.
Oh, I found your herb. I found your herb. I'm gonna get it. Alright, okay, come here. Do I have enough things to get you? Yeah, there you go.
Yay, thank you.
Well,
Edible flour and herbs. Okay, follow me. Follow me, foodie.
I'm coming. Then I'm gonna go to make some of my omelets so that I can get the eggs. Just jump over here because you didn't. If you wanted to, or did you need to?
Because I want to.
Wait, do we have to climb up this tree?
Nope. Follow me to this. Do you see this very rock right here?
Yes. Oh. Well, can you end the video because I gotta go. I'm gonna go get ice cream. We're gonna have to end the video.
Okay, goodbye, guys.
Bye guys. Come back for the next video and see you I'm gonna just so I can get my 18 pets. Bye.
Bye.